Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be starting a new topic of chapter 12, that is unitary method. So, unitary method is something which we have discussed in many of our previous chapters in our videos, and we have shown you how to use unitary method also. So, for those who have been following us and viewing our videos on a regular basis without skipping any part, they will be aware of what a unitary method is, and they might be able to solve some of the examples of NCERT without even looking at this video. So, but those who are new to this part, who are new to Pariksha, I would recommend them to watch our playlist Class 6 Mathematics, and you will be able to understand the concepts and many additional concepts which are not even mentioned in the whole of the Class 6 Mathematics, along with the concepts which are mentioned in the latter part of Class 6 Mathematics. So that is what we focus on. We try to give you complete knowledge rather than incomplete knowledge, a knowledge that will help you in your future classes and in your senior classes and standards. So let us begin the topic, and unitary method will be discussed again. And those who have been with us, no need to worry, you will just grasp the concept very easily. So first of all, we will try to understand or try to read the definition of unitary method, the method in which first we find the value of one unit and then the value of required unit is known as unitary method. So what do we come to the conclusion? That is the question. So if I say that I have 100 rupees, okay, and I can buy with this two pizzas. For 100 rupees, I can buy two pizzas. Tell me how much pizzas can I buy if I have 350 rupees? That is the question. Okay, so how will we solve that? Solve it. We will solve it by writing 100 and we will write 2. The thing which is to be calculated will be written on the right side. Okay, and the thing on the basis of which it is to be calculated will be written on the left side. So on the basis of which, because the basis is for through 350 rupees, if I'm given the amount of 350 rupees, how much pizza can I get? So the basis is rupees 350 or whatever rupees the value is mentioned. So rupees 350 is the basis, so that is written on the LHS, and the answer which is to be required is to be written on the RHS. So 100 is for 2, therefore I get for 1 rupees, I get 2 upon 100 as the answer, which can be written as 1 upon 50 or 2 upon 100, whichever you like. After that, I have obtained the amount of pizza that I will get for rupees 1, and 350 can be written in the other form of 350 is equal to 350 into 1. I hope you understand. So now we will do what? Multiplying both sides by 350. Multiplying both sides by 350, we will get rupees 350, and we will get 2 upon, sorry, we will write this wala form 1 upon 50 into 350. 0, 0 will get cancelled out, 5 will cancel 35 by 7 times, and therefore the answer will be for rupees 350, the number of pizzas which I can get is 7 pizzas. I hope you understand that. So I will solve it one more times and I will show you how this can be, this unitary method is used. Unitary method is not something which is a definition or a concept or something like which is to be memorized theoretically. Rather, it is a practical concept which is used to calculate things on the basis of something else, and a previous idea or a previous information has been given to us. Now if I say rupees 100 gives me two pizzas, and the question is that how much money will it take if I want to buy 9 pizzas? So I will write here 9 pizzas, and what will be the amount? What will be the amount? I have to find that out. So again, using the concept that the basis will be on the left side and the answer which is required will be on the right side. So what I will do, I will write two pizzas and I will write 100 on the right side. After that, I will make 2 into 1 by how? Dividing by 2. So 2 by 2 will be 1 and 100 by 2 will be 100 by 2, or it can be written as 50. After that, I know that 9 can be made by multiplying 1 with 9. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9, and this will be 50 into 9. So therefore the answer will be 9 5s are 45, a 0, and the answer will be 450 rupees. So this is what a unitary method is. Unitary method allows you to find the answer for a particular set of scenario in which you can say uh, in which you can say the relation between one quantity and the other quantity already exists, and that is given to you, and on the basis of that you have to find the answer for either of the quantity in which one of the quantities value has been mentioned. That is what is unitary method. So we'll read the definition again. The method in which first we have to find the value of one unit and then the value of the required units is known as the unitary method. Now, coming to some examples, this is something which I have written to make you understand making you understand how to use the unitary method. That is 2 hours is 8 kilometer, 1 hour is how much, 3 hours is how much. So this is the basis is the hour and the answer should be in kilometers. So we will write 2 on the left and 8 on the right. We will convert 2 into 1. That will be 2 by 2 and this will be 8 by 2. Whenever you do a multiplication or addition or division or subtraction, you do on both the sides evenly. 2 by 2 will be 1, 8 by 2 will be 4, and for 1 hour it will be 4 kilometer, and for 3 hours it will be 1 into 3, that is 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and that will be 12 kilometer. So I hope that the unitary method of how to use unitary method is clear to you. We also solved two examples and one more example at last to make you understand how to use unitary method. In the next video, we'll be solving some other examples in order to make your concept regarding unitary method much more concrete. And for those who have been following us and watching our videos regularly, I'm sure that they know about unitary method if they have not skipped any part or not skipped any videos. So that is the USP of proper Pariksha. We give you knowledge, but a knowledge that is helpful and a knowledge that is complete. It might be something which includes something of class 7th or something of class 8, but it will be something, the knowledge will be of some use to you. You will be able to grasp a much more clear picture of that particular part. For example, I told you something about integers in the part of natural numbers and whole numbers. I told you something about unitary method in our fractions part, in our integers part. I told you some in the other part. So this thing is our way of teaching. We try to give you some more things so that you look different among your class. Your teacher can make just a distinction that you are different. You know some things which other people don't, and you will get the attention which other students will not get. And proper Pariksha has an aim to make all the students, whether be it weak or be they strong, both the students should become at such a level that by our way of teaching, by our way of our methodology, our type and style of making the notes and delivering the lecture, that both the weak and strong students can discuss together on the same intelligentsia level. That is our motto, to make a society of such a type. We do not want the weak students to be segregated, strong students to be segregated. The strong and weak can compete in the higher ends of their life when they are doing masters and other things. But until class 10th and 12th, they should have almost the same amount of knowledge. I'm not talking about reducing the knowledge of the strong ones. I'm talking about enhancing the knowledge of the weak students one or the average students one. So support us in this endeavor, and I hope that you have liked our videos, and in case you have liked it, do hit the subscribe button and click on the like button. And in case you have any suggestions, you can write in the comment section, and you can also connect with us on any of our social media platforms. So keep making notes, keep revising. Till the next time we meet, goodbye.